So now we are preparing chicken biryani. First add curd, add kasuri methi, ilachi powder, pepper powder, turmeric, salt, dhania powder, jeera powder, garam masala, red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, add little water. Add coriander and pudina, mint leaf. Add onions and green chilies. Add oil. Marinate for 2 to 3 hours. So for chicken biryani the water is boiling for rice cooking. So in this we'll add some masala, spices. First I'm adding salt. Add bay leaf, biryani flour, cinnamon stick, whole garam masala, and this is mirchi and mint leaf, coriander paste. Add pinch of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add basmati rice, washed and cleaned basmati rice. So now you can see the rice is cooked up to 70%. Now I will strain the water. Now after 3 hours, once we'll mix the chicken. Nicely marinated actually. I will add the layer of the rice. Add some ghee. Add ghee. Add coriander and mint leaves. Add eggs, boiled eggs. So add some water also. You can add hot water also. I am adding normal water. Now keep in the high flame for 10 minutes and in low flame for 20 minutes. Okay. So after 30 minutes,